Hello everyone. Well, clearly the markets are going to focus today on the Bank of England and the ECB meetings. No change in policy and therefore no statement is expected from the Bank of England. Yesterday's May service sector PMI was significantly better than expected, rising for the fifth consecutive month to the highest level in a year. I think if it weren't for the arrival of Mr. Carney next month, people might even be thinking about a rate rise in the UK. So that leaves the ECB for today's excitement. Virtually no one expects a change in either the refi rate or the deposit rate. There have been mixed messages coming from board members, many of whom appear opposed to negative rates and yet willing to consider them, perhaps as an effort just not to appear doctrinaire. The comments opposing purchasers of asset-backed securities have also been more vocal than those arguing in favor of them. So again, the focus is going to be on the press conference afterwards to see just how the debate is going. Last month, Eurodollar rose a bit after the announcement of a cut in the refi rate by 25 basis points, maybe buy the rumor, sell the fact, or perhaps it was thoughts that lower interest rates would stimulate growth. But then Eurodollar went sharply lower during the press conference amidst hints of further easing measures to come. So I think the announcement today will probably have will cause very little change in the markets. But I'd expect Draghi once again to hint that further moves are possible as the Council monitors very closely all the incoming information, and that could push Eurodollar lower. Technically, Eurodollar has already broken through the first resistance area of 131.10 to 131.15 this morning. The next resistance is at 131.60 and 132, the figure. On the downside, 130.75 is a key support level at the moment. Below that support comes in at 130.30 and 130.05, the 200 and the 50-day moving average respectively. This is Marshall Gittler, head of Global FX Strategy here at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.